Right. So I've drawn the section with the topography now, and what I want to highlight in that final bit of the practical is the fact that OJ is probably around a couple of millimeters thick actually. And when you draw it under the mountain, when you come from under the syncline and bring it here, what you will see is that it will come towards the surface here, but OJ represent quite a wide area here, much wider than you would expect it to be. So how do you fit that? Well, it's very hard to do that. There's clearly no faulting. And when you look at the dip of the beds, it's quite regular here. You know, you've got 35 towards the southeast, 40 degrees, 40 degrees, 40 degrees. So it seems like really the beds are dipping in that direction. So how can you accommodate for keeping the same dip at 40 degrees across that whole thing, yet double almost the thickness of OJ? Well, one possibility is to add another fold. And let's say we can do something like that. A very tight fold, like that. And that means the beds here would come like that. And yeah, we just add a very tight fold, and like that we can double the thickness of our OJ without doing something incredibly silly. So that would have been incredibly silly if the wall succession showed no evidence for tight folds. You know, if you just had a monoclinal succession and then you had to do something weird like that, yeah, it would be weird. But here we know that there are tight folds on that scale because there's one just here. So it's not completely impossible to do something like that. And then when you draw your next beds, then you just have to account for that and do the same. So that's how you try to keep the thickness constant again. And that's how you finish your section on that side of the map. Right, that's us done. So I hope you found that tutorial useful. There will be the model cross sections. Will be put, like the best cross section from the previous year will be put on Learn. So I really encourage you to try to do that exercise and compare your results to what people have done in the past. Florian and I and the demonstrators are happy to provide feedback, so don't hesitate to come with your work. But please also take the time to polish your section. Put a key, put a scale, put a title, a few locations. Try to use the patterns as I usually recommend. And yeah, don't hesitate if you have any question. Thank you.